Good morning, all of you. My name is Seema Kaushal from DIPS Institution. Today we will start first chapter of class 9th of economics, that is the story of the village Palampur. In previous classes we have done in social science, history, geography and civics. Now economics is also a part of it. In economics, we talk about money, earnings, profit, loss, occupation, and production, etc. Village Palampur is a small village, and in this village, in this chapter, we will study about the production, good features, and techniques of production. Now, first of all, we study about the production. In general, to produce anything what we need. For example, to make a pen or books, what we need? First of all, we need land. Why do we need land? To make factories. And second is labor. Why do we need labor? We need labor to work on the factories. And third factor of production is physical capital. Physical capital is of two types: fixed capital and working capital. Fixed capital, as its name shows, it is fixed and it is for long term. For example, buildings, tools, machines, etc. These are for long time. People do not change them again and again, so it is for long term. And second is working capital. It is for short term. For example, raw material and money. And fourth factor of production is human capital. It is most important factor because human beings utilize all the three factors like land, labor and physical capital, and they make possible production by using their knowledge and skill. Okay, now land, labor, physical capital and human capital are known as factor of production. Okay, now in village Palampur, the main activity of Palampur is farming. It can be 1 mark question also. Main activity is farming and 75% people are involved in farming. Other activities are also there like transport, dairy, manufacturing, but these are on limited scale. Now we talk about the population of Palampur. Raiganj is a small village. It is from 3 kilometers away from the Palampur. In Palampur, there are 450 families. Out of these 450 families, 1/3 people are landless. They are very poor. They live in mud houses in the corner of the villages. And 240 families have small plots which are less than 2 hectares. And 60 families are medium families. They have more than 2 hectare land. A few large farmers are there. They have extending 10 hectare or more land. Okay, these can be questions in 1 mark question also. How many total families are there? How many families have less than 2 hectare small plots? Now we will talk about the features of the village. First is, in Palampur there is electricity in the village. There are primary health centers. 2 primary schools are there and 1 high school is in the village. Roads are built. These are well developed, properly built. Tubewells are there for irrigation in the field. And markets are also available to sell their products and buy the products. From this we can understand a village. Palampur is well developed village. Okay, thank you. This is for today. It is this, and we will start next chapter. We will continue this chapter in next video. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.